Dzień dobry, dzień dobry. So it's night time.
Baby,
We
we are
are
in Greece. That's
Greece.
supposed to be Kalimera.
Kalimera is good morning. I
Ali
don't know
said
what is
hola.
it. Oh, I didn't know what is it in Greek for the good night actually. Come get closer, Kohani. Now we are in the Laganas. Laganas is famous for the nightlife in Zakynthos. So let's explore what is Laganas offer you. Because I read there are, so many reviews about the Laganas nightlife here, mostly about, gentlemen's club, like strippers or something like that. So yeah, let's stroll around, Pahanye, and then I think that this month, especially in May, is the opening season, the tourism season. You see, like slowly, there are many shops are open, restaurants are open, and what I can say that the tourists are here.
So behind this I love Laganas, there is beach, right? So there are some tours, shops, restaurants and everything. And then you have a nice beachfront restaurant, and then you have some coffee shop, and then you have some ice delivery. And there is the Lagana street. This is where all the action is going. It's middle of May, we will see how it is.
Okay, so you guys follow me. I'm showing you. Just like that's the over there. You see the erotica, gentleman club.
Unfortunately, it's closed. We cannot get inside to film and show you.
Yes.
I believe some of you guys, especially guys, would like to see what is inside.
This is like the Phuket of the Greece, no?
Phuket of Greece?
Yes, Phuket or Pattaya of the Greece.
Maybe,
where the,
can be. Yeah.
like this, many of the tour. You see the exotic erotica gentlemen's club.
Shops, bars. Some of them they are open more there where is McDonald's. Actually, they have a McDonald's also here. But also some are still closed, as you see. And generally still quiet. But like I said, it's middle of May, so this is not a season yet. But something is going on already. And this is the most party street and party city in Zakynthos Island, on Zakynthos Island. Some carpe diem, some stuff like this and this. Delivery shop. Overall, this is the nightlife scene in Zakynthos. But I believe actually in July will be busy.
And mostly the young people are here, I can say.
Mostly because Sylvie is more for family, kind of summer vibe. This one is kind of, I don't know, party vibe. Kind of like this. Party vibe. Nice nightlife. But for every one of you, we make a video about it, Sylvie. This one is about the nightlife in Zakynthos. Maybe you will be interested. How does it look like in May 2026? Actually, middle of May 2026, Sunday, 9:30 p.m. Technically speaking, like this one. And back to the street vlogging again, nightlife vlogging.
I think that you just lose, I don't know, little bit. I don't know what to say that the skills of walk and talk.
Yeah, I used to
live
do
in
it
Bali.
better. I used to do it better, so you have
There
to
is
forgive me,
something to
guys.
tell. Okay, let's say on the left, there are so many, like a travel agency, boat open.
Yeah, one by one, actually. They have a fall strip here. Everybody try to sell you the boat offer or the car rental. This is what is the most selling here. But well, somehow they need to make a money, right? Oh, they have some healthcare actually, private, looking decent actually. Some beta gyro. Actually, that's the gyro stuff.
And
let's see.
You can, just easily to spot many young people here. It's like a party vibe. There, maybe it's not that light yet. It used to be a cocktail and drinks.
Yeah, there, cocktail and drinks.
I think that in July will be the lights.
Probably in June already.
Yeah, June lights on, and it will be like the most.
Only one McDonald's here.
Supposed to be.
Where supposed to be.
Cocktails and drinks. Which is
But it's closed, unfortunately. Closed. But it's gonna be open for sure in the nearest future again.
Yeah, that one. Right?
Yeah, over there, yeah.
Yes.
behind the cocktails and dreams was the kamikaze, or maybe this is the belongs to actually the same. It's closed. However, you have emergency accident at the front. That's actually coincidence. This is opposite.
No, if you're drunk and then you are getting crazy, maybe. Something
Yeah,
like that.
and
That's the
Cherry Boy.
cocktail dream and cherry.
Cocktail dreams, libido, and cherry dreams. They also have this kind of horses. But Cherry Boy, this is probably the most busiest actually club right now in Zakynthos, Zakynthos Island, and there are some ladies already get wild. Actually, pretty early though. And this is the actually the most busiest party scene here. Yeah, Cherry Bay actually is the most busiest, and they are already happy people there. Is enjoying. So some parties going on, Sayang, actually.
No.
Here you have a Medusa, Sayang, at the front of you, and on the other side of the street you have the loft and the toucan. However, I'm not sure if the toucan is open, maybe on the top, but the loft. And then you have this one, Medusa. Something is going on actually. Shisha bar.
Yes, and that's the Lost Club.
Yeah, the Love Club actually. Something is going on actually. Maybe it's also too early little bit. You know, many activities. And of course so many souvenir shops actually. That's how it is. You wanna try this one, babe?
What is it word of weed?
Yeah.
I don't smoke weed. Even that we used to live in Thailand, it's just like weed. It's on the street. It's just simply like, I'm not interested.
They said they were driving with the trees actually on the scooters.
No.
Here at the front of us is actually one of the restaurants called Albatross.
Yes.
And kitchen, bar and cafe, and there is swimming pool actually. So I think this is the only one with the swimming pool
I
here.
think that during summer we'll park. This close will be only like a walking street. But nowadays you can park everywhere. Even that there is a sign that
Yes, you cannot park, but so many cars on the left, on the right, so they just park in. Actually, since we are here, I never seen any police here. I don't know. This is the first time I'm
Island life.
Totally island life. That's some fast food stuff with the pizza, burgers, pizza slices. You can have margarita for €2 at Jaffa slice. That's actually a nice deal. Yeah, overall, that's how does it look like.
You want to have something to eat?
No, I'm fine. Actually, I'm fine, Sam.
Let's go.
Let's go. That's the vibe, generally speaking, like this one. And there is another cocktail bar and club. Lit.
Lit.
Must be lit, Sam. Sayang, this is interesting. Crazy Dolls El Dorado ice cream.
This is live strip show.
So it's ice cream at the front, and what is behind the ice cream shop, baby?
Live
May-
strip show.
That's
It's
actually
still closed.
that's interesting. Unfortunately, closed.
Closed.
So what you don't understand? Yeah, Three Lions sounds so British actually. Here you have also interesting this barcode with the shape of the barcode actually literally. Very interesting concept, and so much smoke because they vaping and shisha there. And then you have a Skiroko bar and restaurant. The restaurants and the bars are nice generally speaking here. Skiroko. You have something here, party. How you doing? Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother. We could have a nice drink, nice bar, and then we have a frozen bubble. Frozen bubbles, and it's very pinkish actually, also looking decent. Pretty decent though. Reminds me a little bit of the Kind community, also pinky style. But on the other side, unfortunately, you also have a closed businesses, which is a little bit still sad. But generally, yeah, many sports bars here in general, and they also have this kind of horses, carrots, and of course tours, everywhere tours.
This guy in Chikitaki wants to invite me, but I feel like,
Yeah.
And
There
it's
are
a
nice restaurants here and there.
And then games.
The bull games and everything, yeah. Rentals, of course. But still you can feel as the seasons in Europe matter a lot. Yeah, that's what you really have to consider. Basically, if you like quieter vibe and cheaper vibe, is perfect time. And it's also not so hot. If you want hot, crowded, messy and expensive, July.
Kohanye,
No?
look at that behind me, Moulin Rogue live strip show. It's open actually.
Open sign.
So, what I say, guys.
Open 2 days ago
actually-
when we arrived.
This is actually how is the nightlife here in Zakynthos. You can find everything here. Maybe, and I read that so many Brits who are having a party here, something like that. There are many. That's why the owner of our car rental, they always remind us, just like don't drink and drive. Maybe there are so many crazy shit things here.
I believe this happened because we even saw one guy already doing some crazy stuff.
Already.
Even it's just middle of May and it's pretty quiet. So imagine when it's July, 40 degrees and everywhere is hot, literally. Well, I understand. Some nice also Nefeli restaurant. Looks pretty decent actually. Nice tables and everything, garden. But literally nobody. I mean, some people inside because it's also a little bit chilly weather. You can have some food. Nice restaurant though, have to say. That's without any doubts. Yeah. And very nice also. Oh no, that's, I thought it's the glass.
Right, so I think that's all our video about a nightlife in Zakynthos. So you can comment below what do you think. Would you like to come to here to Zakynthos and enjoy how it is? Or maybe you've been here or you plan to come to Greece, don't know where to go. Always in my mind Greece is only Santorini. But here we just choose a different place. So yeah, experience different things, right, Kohanye? So
That's
this is actually
correct.
the center of the nightlife.
So this restaurant is in the corner actually of the main corner here. And it's busy, but you know what, Sayang, I just realized it's also Silivi is busier than this one.
Yeah, and I see that at the beginning of May, people who come here mostly their family, they are seniors, so I think that they choose to be like
In the
away,
quieter time.
and
Cooler.
time, the quieter places, and more into just enjoying the days after winter. So maybe let's stroll around there.
Little bit
Kohanye.
stroll around. Oh, they still have a payphone here. I don't know, active? No, I don't think so.
You see that many restaurants still closed.
Many restaurants still closed, and some of them open, like a Greco restaurant, Greco tavern actually. But this strip looks a little bit sad. But like for example, this strip look like they are closed longer than only one season actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it is. That's how does it look like here.
Yeah,
It's a
what I
little
can
bit
say
like that.
It's just like quieter vibe. If we compare again about Bali, where I'm originally from, it's just like the Legian, Kuta, Legian vibe.
Maybe it was busier
Yeah.
years ago, but even Legian right now is pretty quiet, unfortunately.
So one thing is just like Zakynthos, literally like 11 or 12 of the Bali Island, Indonesia, where you can find the party spot, where you can find like clinking beach or shipwreck or something
Diamond
like that.
Beach.
Diamond Beach.
Many
or
kind of
something, many
similar
things.
things.
Party spot.
Even
and
streets look similar. Yeah, it's very similar somehow. Different, same, but different. But it's
same but different.
but so many
again.
similarities. And I believe this street also. What's the name of this city?
Laganas.
Laganas have
Laganas.
better times. I can see that Silibi,
Yes.
where we say actually is busier even at that time.
Right. Thanks
So,
for
yeah.
watching and see you in the next episode of the Greece.